It's a rainy day here in the interior of Mexico. The high is 14 degrees. We're just gonna make the best of today. It's been a really rainy winter so far, and they said this is unusual, and it's climate change in Mexico. Yeah, so we're going out and gonna have fun. El Plato is an amazing store for supplies for doing baking and chocolate making. You can see they have a huge selection, and they have paper cups and plates. My esthetician Cindy, who is a local gal, told me about this place. Down this aisle, an incredible selection of all kinds of flowers, even flavored flowers like vanilla, icing sugar, some cocoa in there. And then you go down this aisle and it has all kinds of birthday good supplies, balloons, candles, really cool for the cake maker. And then over here, you can see they have a huge selection of different colored chocolates for melting and doing coloring. And I gravitated when I first came into the chocolate section because I love chocolate. We will come back. Look at their selection. It's amazing. We will come back, my husband and I, after I'm done making gingerbread cookies, and we want to make chocolates for Christmas. And here's where you get your tips for doing icing and the all-important dyes, food coloring dyes, which I'm using for my gingerbread. El Plato, an amazing store.
Hang on, I'm going to drop a pin where the tuck is.
How cool is that? And right on the corner here is a little tienda, Gil, where we often get our goods. So what's cool about this place, they serve us our coffee and our own boba.
Yeah. Oh, you're on the camera.
In these little ceramic mugs, like we drink our coffee at home sometimes. Cheers. How is yours omelet? Your omelet? What kind of omelet?
Spinaccio.
How is it?
Good.
How are the beans?
Nice and spicy, just right.
Can you duck down a bit? This is the old-fashioned way to mix gingerbread cookies when you don't have a beater. I have to do everything by hand, and Henry's helping me.